Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 275 Bay Village Drive on gorgeous Irondequoit Bay.
This is an amazing waterfront property. So let's take a tour.
This is exceptional bayfront living with a great room featuring a living area with a fireplace, a spacious dining area, a galley kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, plus a den or office with plantation shutters and a powder room. This home also features a second level with 2 spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom, all with breathtaking views.
Just off the great room is the spectacular balcony with those amazing bay views. Bay Village is great for enjoying the resort lifestyle with a clubhouse, tennis courts, a pool, and private docks for boating. You can have it all on Irondequoit Bay. Enjoy waterfront life. Even launch your boat from this property. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 275 Bay Village Drive on Irondequoit Bay.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!